If you're new to journaling, I know it can feel overwhelming at first. It's like, where do I start? What do I write? Do I even really need to do this? I want to, but the fear is crippling me and I don't know what to write. Listen, I understand. And to make it simple, all you really have to do is write. It's not about being perfect. It's not about being deep. It's not about being pretty. It's about being real. It's about being yourself. It's about your reflection, your life. So it is just as simple as just write. Write whatever comes to your mind. Whatever comes to your mind. Some of my entries are pages long, and others are filled with just 3 words. Sometimes they start off deep and poetic, and other times they're just plain and simple. Sometimes confusion, sometimes wisdom, It's not about being right. It's not about being perfect. It's just about being you. Some of my entries start off like, I'm sitting right here trying to write, and I really don't know what to say, but I feel these emotions. And I'll stop and think about what it is that I feel. Pick up my pen and write again that I'm confused, frustrated, and I don't know why. See, writing is not about having it all figured out, having all the answers, or solving the greatest life mysteries. It's really about connecting with yourself. So just write.